We are live in South Carolina. You're watching Twin Sports TV.
And it's our live, uncut, unscripted segment where the cameras rolling.
Anything goes.
We here for the JSA. It's the function at the junction.
Oh,
and we
yeah.
getting it in
With a whole lot of basketball.
Hey, we got the team.
We
just
got
put
'em.
it down, and we're going to talk to them for a second. What's your name and what's the name of the team here?
Camion Breeze, and we are the Memphis Disciples.
Hey, they're the Memphis Disciples.
All right.
What age or grade is this?
Eighth grade.
Eighth grade. Okay.
Great. All right. We got the big boys.
You guys really put it down. What can we expect for the rest of the tournament here?
Number one, you already know.
All right, all
Number
right.
one.
Let's get some of your names and your position. Name again and position.
Camion Breeze, and I'm starting point guard.
All right.
Stay up there, shooting guard.
Hey. All right.
Camera 3, power forward.
Okay. What about you?
Brandon Wade, shooting guard.
All right. What about you?
The Corey and Payne, star center.
All right. We love those centers. What about you, big guy?
AJ Williams, center.
Center too.
Right. We love it.
How important is it for you guys to get those rebounds?
Very important.
All right, all right. Now our slogan on Twin Sports TV is
Get your game up.
what do y'all do to stay on top of your game?
Uh-oh. Who said that?
Practice.
Hey.
I ain't say nothing. I ain't
What about you? You got it.
just focus, keep our head up. We came out slow start, we just kept our head. We kept going.
All right. We love it.
it.
All right, congratulations. Good luck on the rest of the tournament. We just want to let you know
You're watching Twin Sports TV. Get your game up. Woo!
we
Get
got
'em up.
them. Memphis,
Oh,
baby.
yeah. We love them.
Twin Sports TV.
Twin Sports TV, get your game on.